Welcome. We're going to do the last question on 6.2, which is how you might write a piecewise function. This is when it asks for a general formula, right? And let's take a look at that. So piecewise function was from Ags3, and that's basically when you have subfunctions within a single function. So let's look at a couple pieces here. The first one is, this is going to be that area that is a light green on the wheel. So it's the first quartile. It goes from 0 to 5 seconds. For this one, it's relatively straightforward because you're doing your midpoint plus 25 sine, and we know it's 18 degrees per second, so 18 times the number of seconds, 18t, and that's going to give us the angle that we need, and it's only going to apply from 0 to 5. The next one, which is yellow, trying to make these match, the second quartile, same thing except for instead of 18t, it's 180 minus 18t. And that is to keep our angles less than 90 degrees. And 180 minus 18t for this many seconds, from 5 to 10, that will keep it within that range from 5 to 10. So we're going to use that. The next section is below the 30, so we're subtracting. Right? This one is for when t is between 10 and 15, and since 18t is going to be greater than 180, we're going to do 18t minus 180, and that's going to give us an angle that's less than 90 degrees, where we know how to find the sine of that. The last one is this one over here. And this one would be the case where you're in that fourth quartile over here between 15 and 20 seconds. Now 18t is almost 360, so you're going to do 360 minus 18t, and that's going to give you an angle measure that is in that fourth quadrant. And it's also, you're going to subtract the sine function because you're going to reduce the height. Now there's a couple other interesting ones here. The function returns a 55 if t is equal to 5, because this is at 55 feet, 30 plus 25. It returns a 30 when t equals 0 or t equals 10, so this is at 30 feet, and this is at 30 feet for 10 seconds. And it returns a 5 when t is equal to 15 seconds. So that would be the complete piecewise